shirt trick video. Four FIS before 15s. Team Sound Cube. It's a pretty heavy shirt. Let's see what it can do. Legit heavy shirt trick. Team Sound Cube. 27 hertz shirt trick. Let me know what y'all think. Check the viral out. 4 4500s for the shirt trick video. Half an inch. Hands to keep them cool. Sound Cube. Team Sound Cube. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.